We've all been here, right? Driving around in a parking lot, minding our own business, looking for a parking spot. When suddenly a driver decides to drive past a parking spot and immediately reverse into the spot. In this video, I'm going to go on a little bit of a rant, but also ask a legitimate question. What is with all these drivers that want to drive past a parking spot and immediately reverse and back into the spot with no regard for vehicles around them that may be driving behind them in the aisle? Now, for the sake of clarity, I'm talking about open air parking lots, not parking garages. Because I'll admit, when I park in parking garages, I back into the spots. This is because I drive a large, full-size crew cab truck that is not easy to back out of a spot in a tight parking garage. It ain't always easy driving 19 feet of pickup truck in confined spaces. But back to the point. People backing into parking spots. I can't tell you how many times I've been driving in a parking lot and a driver decides to back into a parking spot and nearly backs into me, trying to get into a spot they've already passed by. Now, is the reason for backing into parking spots because they're afraid of getting hit backing out of the spot? Because it seems to me, getting hit backing into the spot kind of defeats the purpose of being worried about getting hit backing out of the spot. Is there another reason I don't know about?